That's one of the first things you're going to need, is you're going to need accounting software. And that's not Excel, okay? If you've got your bookkeepers still trying to do things on Excel and pull together some kind of little financial reports off of Excel, that ain't happening. That's not going to take you to where you want to go and have, what, 15,000 members, 20,000 members trying to manage finances on Excel, okay? So you're going to need to put some structure in place and look at spending a few $100s and investing in some accounting software, all right? In addition to that, getting a computer to put that on, amen? Okay. Also, you're going to want to have a membership database program, all right? Your membership database program is going to keep up with all the members, their names and addresses, contact information. You need that, okay? Also, when you put together your finance team, they're going to be keeping up with the offerings, and they'll be able to put that information into the membership database, so when it comes time to crank out crank out the contribution statements, it's a piece of cake. It's just a matter of clicking a few buttons, boom, 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 and the reports just all come out. All right? So we don't want, you know, to have to, again, put stuff on Excel. You don't want to rely on Excel. I mean, I do taxes for ministers, and I could tell when, you know, they're giving me these contribution statements, and it looks like somebody threw something together on Excel the best way they could. Or they're just getting these reports with total contributions, and knowing that that doesn't comply, you know, with IRS's guidelines. So when you've got that membership database program in place, now you have something that you can use to run those reports, give the information to your donors so that when they're claiming these tax deductions, they have that documentation that they need, okay? And you don't want to be in a situation where, you know, you've got some really good members, you know, tithing to you on a regular basis, sowing into your ministry, claiming the tax deduction, you know, and then they do the tax returns and they don't have that documentation. Or let's say they're getting audited and they're relying on what you give them, okay, for tax purposes. I know somebody can say, amen. They're relying on that documentation if they're getting audited, and then it turns out, you know, that little report that the church bookkeeper put together for their tax return is not sufficient, and then what happens? You know, the IRS denies that deduction. I mean, who would like to lose a $20,000 deduction off of their tax return? That's a lot of money, okay? And it's just that one little piece of paper that can have all the facts that they need, okay? So you want to have that structure in place. I mean, even the accounting software, I mean, that's going to give you some accuracy when it comes time to looking at those financials. When you're making some financial decisions, you want to rely on some accurate numbers, okay?
I hope this information was helpful. Now, if you have a question, please leave it in the comments. And if you'd like to get more tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. At Whitfield & Associates, we're here to help you get organized, get in compliance, and get control of your finances. So be sure to visit our website at churchcpa.com. Thank you and have a blessed day.